The world is a fascinating place with all sorts of interesting facts and stories. There are always some little-known bits of information that can make you laugh, surprise you, or simply entertain you. They can be about anything, from history to popular culture to science. FactBuzz is here with another episode, and every minute of this informative and entertaining video will tell you something new and exciting. So, let's begin. Did you notice that the Mona Lisa doesn't have any brows? Is it possible that Leonardo da Vinci forgot to paint them? The answer is no. He did not draw her eyebrows intentionally. Although Leonardo was an Italian, he sold the artwork to the King of France. Mona Lisa doesn't have brows because it was fashionable to shave them during the Renaissance, and women used to remove their eyebrows along with other facial hair. Did you know, in a deck of playing cards, each king signifies a great king from history? In the late 16th century, the French cardmakers methodized the suits of spades, clubs, hearts, and diamonds and represented the four kings as King David, Alexander the Great, Charlemagne, and Julius Caesar respectively. Honey never spoils. Bacteria cannot survive in honey because of its low moisture content. Since there aren't any microorganisms at work, honey doesn't spoil unless it's mixed with something else. It is acidic enough to prevent most microorganisms and bacteria from spoiling other foods. In addition, the bees contribute their own enzymes to honey, producing hydrogen peroxide, which has antimicrobial properties and is said to be promoting healing. Dogs can smell cancer. They are called a man's best friends for a reason. Researchers discovered that dogs can identify a unique smell produced by cancer in a person that might be undetected to humans. So, if your dog is behaving strangely around you, you may want to see a doctor. Socotra Island, which is located in Yemen, is one of the most isolated islands on Earth. The islands are home to a diverse range of native plants and creatures that are unlike anything else on the Earth. Over one-third of Socotra's 825 plant species are unique to the island. The uncommon dragon's blood tree, which resembles an upside-down umbrella, is one of them. The island is also home to a massive succulent tree. Species of cucumber trees and pomegranates thrive there, aren't found anywhere else. German chocolate cake isn't made in Germany, as a lot of people think. This recipe is actually American. It was named after Sam German, who in 1852 invented a variety of baking chocolate for bakers. The teddy bear is named after President Theodore Roosevelt. When Morris Mictum, the founder of a Brooklyn candy shop, saw the cartoon of Theodore Roosevelt declining to shoot a black bear, he had something in mind. Mictum decided to make a stuffed toy bear, since him and his wife Rose also manufactured plush animals, and dedicated them to the president. He named it Teddy's Bear. There are several pink lakes in Australia, but the Pepto-Bismol-colored Lake Hillier is the most beautiful. When the water is placed in a container, the brilliant color remains constant. The organism Dunaliella salina is thought to be responsible for the amazing pink color. Human twins are being born in greater numbers than ever before. Do you have the impression that there are more twins now than there used to be? No? Well, as per a new study published in the journal Human Reproduction, the twinning rate has grown by one-third since the 1980s, rising from 9 to 12 twins per 1,000 births. Presently, over 1.6 million twins are born each year around the world, implying that 1 in every 42 infants is a twin. Did you know a sea slug's chopped head can regenerate into a new body? The sea slug Alicia marginata has been discovered to not only survive decapitation, but also to regenerate a new body from it. According to ecologists at Nara Women's University in Japan, the snails' heads were already feeding on algae, just a few hours after their heads were removed from their bodies. Wood frogs in Alaska have been found to retain their urine for up to 8 months, surviving the region's lengthy winters before urinating once the weather warms up. Weird, right? With unique microorganisms in their gut that convert the urea into nitrogen, the pee actually keeps the animal alive as it hibernates. Rabbits are unable to vomit. Rabbits, unlike cats and other animals, are unable to cough up hairballs when they eat too much fur and other indigestible things. Because their digestive system is one way, the hairy creatures consume a lot of roughage to keep things moving in the right direction. Gum chewing improves concentration. You might want to reach for a stick of gum the next time you're having difficulties concentrating. In a 2013 study published in the British Journal of Psychology, participants who chewed gum while participating in a memory task were able to stay focused for longer lengths of time than those who did not. These were just some of the most random facts you might not know about. How was this video? Did you know all these facts? Let us know in the comments section below. Want to know more amazing daily facts? Subscribe to FactBuzz and turn on the notifications. You may also want to share these with your friends and family so they can learn something new too.